What is Entrepreneur Success Path Bootcamp? Not motivation, not theory, not random business advice. Mindtech Bootcamp does not motivate. It provides a structured system for execution and growth. From vision to profit, how career counselors actually scale. The real problem? Starting a career counseling practice is easy. Scaling a career counseling business is difficult. Most counselors are good at counseling, get results, have tools, yet income becomes stagnant. Growth feels unpredictable. Effort is high, direction is missing. Key truth: business start करना problem नहीं है, business को scale करना problem है. The real gap career counselors face: most career counselors already have talent, knowledge, tools, willingness to work, but growth does not happen. Why? Because talent without structure does not scale. Efforts without a framework stays random. Why counselors get stuck? Common assumptions career counselor make. और sessions कर लूंगा, income बढ़ जाएगी. Marketing सीख लूंगा, scale हो जाएगा. AI tool use कर लूंगा, हो जाएगा. थोड़े और clients मिल जाएं, growth हो जाएगी. But reality: career counseling is not a volume game, it is a system game. Most entrepreneurs fail due to lack of execution, not lack of knowledge. Why training alone is not enough? Training gives information, understanding, knowledge, but with continuous hand-holding training support, it becomes clarity, confidence, and a structured process. And when the process is structured correctly, it naturally leads to strong results and satisfied clients. Most career counselors learn a lot, but return to old patterns. Training gives knowledge, bootcamp gives execution. Why solo career counseling does not scale? Most counselors work alone and handle counseling, follow-ups, marketing, payments, growth planning. This leads to burnout, no feedback loop, no correction system. Solo journey slow होती है, फ्रेमवर्क के साथ ग्रोथ फास्ट होती है. What is Entrepreneur Success Path Bootcamp? Not motivation, not theory, not random business advice. Bootcamp is a system-driven approach to scaling career counseling services. Mindtech Bootcamp does not motivate. It provides a structured system for execution and growth. Core deliverables of the bootcamp: growth engine model. It identifies what to focus on, what to eliminate, what to scale first, and it removes randomness from growth. High profit business formula. It identifies high value counseling formats, scalable service structures, ethical pricing strategies. Vision to profit framework converts vision into monthly goals, weekly actions, daily focus. Vision बिना execution dream है. Bootcamp उस dream को system देता है. Deep business focus areas. Bootcamp works on business foundation and brand promise, online plus offline marketing clarity, ethical selling of career counseling and DMIT, client acquisition and re-counseling retention, objection handling with accuracy, necessity and investment, live Q&A plus real case studies of DMIT report frameworks. How Bootcamp transforms a career counselor. It removes guesswork, builds confidence, creates clarity. हम सिर्फ बिजनेस स्टार्ट नहीं करवाते, हम बिजनेस को प्रोफेशनली स्केल करना सिखाते हैं. बूटकैम्प काउंसलर को स्ट्रैटेजी, स्ट्रक्चर और एग्जीक्यूशन के साथ बिजनेस रेडी कैरियर काउंसलर बनाता है. How Bootcamp integrates with the complete Mindtech career counseling model. Entrepreneur Success Path Bootcamp works inside the Mindtech ecosystem. It does not replace training or counseling. It strengthens and scales them. Integration with training. Training gives counselors DMIT knowledge, understanding of reports, counseling fundamentals. Bootcamp takes this training forward by showing how to apply training in real business situations, how to convert learning into repeatable counseling systems, how to move from knowing to executing. Mindtech Training Bootcamp आपके business को scratch से scale तक प्रोफेशनल एक्सपर्ट करियर काउंसिल बनाता है. इंटीग्रेशन विद करियर काउंसलिंग एंड री-काउंसलिंग. Career counseling helps client understand their potential, get direction and clarity. Re-counseling ensures implementation. Progress tracking. Bootcamp teaches counselors how to design counseling journeys, not just single sessions. Structure follow-ups and re-counseling as a growth system. building long-term client relationships instead of one-time sessions. Counseling creates clarity. Recounseling creates results, and Bootcamp teaches how to scale both. One-to-one career counseling. Bootcamp helps counselors structure premium one-to-one counseling formats. It improves session flow, clarity, and outcomes. Price counseling ethically and confidently. As a result, high-value counseling with better impact and income stability. One-to-many programs. Bootcamp trains counselors to design school programs, coaching and institute workshops, NSME and corporate tie-ups, group counseling sessions. Tie-up with educational service providers like an admission consultant, overseas consultant. Result: higher reach, better time management, and predictable growth. Online career counseling. Bootcamp helps counselors deliver counseling online with structure, manage sessions, follow-ups, and recounseling remotely. Build location-independent career counseling practices. As a result, scalability beyond city limits without compromising quality. Why this integration matters? Bootcamp does not create new system. It connects and strengthens everything that counselors already do. Training gives foundation. Counseling gives direction. But recounseling ensures implementation. Bootcamp creates scale, structure, and sustainability. And that's how Mindtech moves counselors through identification, capitalization to maximization. For whom is this bootcamp service? Career counselors stuck at the same income level. Educators doing counseling without structure. Entrepreneurs seeking clarity and scalability. जब पर्पस क्लियर हो, प्रोसेस स्ट्रक्चर्ड हो, तो प्रॉफिट नेचुरली फॉलो करता है. राइट गाइडेंस एट द राइट टाइम. दैट्स हाउ वी कन्वर्ट पोटेंशियल इनटू परफॉर्मेंस. Entrepreneur Success Path Bootcamp. That means sustainable career counseling business, not just hype.